Have you ever wondered why castor oil has been used for thousands of years? And why it's still trending today? Well, get this, guys. This thick golden oil might just be your next bedtime essential. And no, I'm not just talking about skincare. We're talking radiant skin, restful sleep, stronger hair, a healthy gut, the works. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 powerful reasons why using castor oil before bed could transform your life. You don't want to miss this. Okay, let's talk about dry skin. You know that feeling, right? No matter how much lotion you use, it just keeps flaking. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the thing, castor oil might just be your new secret weapon. Why? Because it's packed with something called ricinoleic acid. Now, ricinoleic acid is a monounsaturated fatty acid. Sounds complicated, but all you need to know is that it works wonders for your skin. It draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, keeping it hydrated and feeling amazing. Plus, unlike a lot of commercial creams out there that are loaded with chemicals and preservatives, castor oil is completely natural, and let's be real, it's super affordable too. So how do you use it? It's simple. Before you hit the hay, just warm up a couple of drops of castor oil between your palms and gently massage it into those dry areas that are bugging you. We're talking heels, elbows, face, whatever needs a little extra love. And the best part? You'll wake up with noticeably smoother, softer skin. For a boost of hydration, you can even mix it with some coconut oil or almond oil. But a word of caution, always patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin, alright? Alright, let's be honest. Who couldn't use a better night's sleep? If you're finding yourself tossing and turning all night, feeling restless, castor oil might be the answer you've been searching for. Here's why. This oil has some seriously awesome calming properties, especially when you apply it to those pressure points like your eyelids or your temples. Seriously. A lot of people who use it say they fall asleep faster and wake up feeling way more refreshed. And get this, to make it even better, you can blend it with some lavender or peppermint essential oil for a totally natural aromatherapy balm. Just imagine. You're ready for bed, you massage this calming blend onto your temples or behind your ears, and let the relaxation take over. This simple ritual sends a signal to your brain that it's time to wind down and get ready for some serious shut-eye. And trust me, better rest equals better health overall. Let's talk hair, guys. Are you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless, thinning hair? I feel you. But don't worry, castor oil is here to save the day, or should I say, save your hair. Here's the deal. This stuff is like magic for your scalp and hair follicles. Before you go to bed, massage some castor oil into your scalp and let it work its magic overnight. It's like a deep conditioning treatment while you sleep. Castor oil is known to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which nourishes those hair follicles, and can even help regulate hormones like PGD2, which is linked to hair loss. And the best part? You can use it on your eyebrows and eyelashes too. By morning, your hair will feel softer, stronger, and have an amazing shine. Here's a pro tip. Try adding a few drops to your regular conditioner for a natural boost, or go all out and do a castor oil hair mask once a week. Just remember, a little goes a long way, and you'll definitely want to shampoo thoroughly in the morning because this oil is thick. Let's talk about your immune system for a second. We all know how crucial it is to stay healthy, right? Well, your lymphatic system plays a major role in that. It's basically your body's drainage system, flushing out toxins and waste. And guess what? Castor oil can actually help support lymphatic drainage when you apply it topically, especially on your abdomen. There was even a study published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine that found that castor oil packs actually boosted lymphocyte production, which are the cells that help your body fight off infections. Pretty cool, right? So, how do you do a castor oil pack? Before you jump into bed, soak a cloth in some warm castor oil, place it over your abdomen, cover it with some plastic wrap, and then apply heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can use a heating pad or a hot water bottle. This ancient practice has been used for centuries to support detoxification, improve digestion, and boost your immune system, all in one go. Okay, let's talk about something nobody really likes to discuss, constipation. It's uncomfortable, it's annoying, and it can really throw off your whole day. But here's the deal. If you're struggling with sluggish digestion or occasional constipation, castor oil might be a natural solution worth trying. Now here's how it works. When you take castor oil in small doses, it acts as a natural stimulant laxative. It releases ricinoleic acid in your small intestine, which basically gets things moving along. In fact, it's even used medically to help clear out the bowels before procedures like colonoscopies. But, and this is a big but, you have to be careful with this one. Too much castor oil can lead to cramping and diarrhea, which is definitely not what we want. So, if you're considering using castor oil for constipation, it's crucial to talk to your doctor first, especially if you have any chronic health conditions. For milder support, you can try mixing a teaspoon of castor oil into some warm herbal tea, but again, always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or remedy. This one might surprise you, but castor oil can actually speed up wound healing. It creates a protective barrier over the wound and helps to keep it moist, which prevents scabbing and promotes faster healing. It's even a key ingredient in Venelex, a prescription wound dressing that doctors use for burns, ulcers, and even surgical wounds. The real star of the show here is ricinoleic acid again. Remember that amazing fatty acid we talked about earlier? Well, it also happens to be a powerful anti-inflammatory. So not only does castor oil help to heal wounds faster, but it can also reduce inflammation and alleviate pain at the same time. It's like a natural pain reliever. Before you go to bed, just apply a couple of drops of castor oil to any minor cuts, scrapes, chapped lips, or irritated skin. You'll be amazed at how much relief you feel when you wake up, and you'll notice faster healing too. So there you have it, 6 powerful reasons why you should consider adding castor oil to your nightly routine. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, hair loss, trouble sleeping, low immunity, or any of the other issues we talked about, castor oil offers a natural and effective way to address them. Imagine this. You apply your castor oil, drift off to sleep, and let it work its magic while you rest. It's like a mini spa treatment every night. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried using castor oil before bed? Which benefit are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Stay healthy, stay radiant, and have a good night.